All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video, we'll be looking at addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of exponents, okay, or exponents. All right, so um, when it comes to exponents, okay, you're looking at something like this. Say this is 3 squared, 3 is your base, 2 will be your exponent. Okay, this basically means that this will be 3 squared or 3 times 3 or 9. All right, now, if this was 4 raised to 2, this will be 4 times 4. Okay, basically 16. Okay, now if you want to add, okay, let's say exponents. Okay, so let's say this is x squared plus 3x squared. Okay, notice the base, okay, which is x, as well as the exponent 2, okay, is the same. Okay, so for this, all you need to do, okay, use the coefficient in front of the base. Okay, and add the two coefficients over here. Okay, so 1 plus 3 is 4. So this will be 4x squared. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, so let's say this is 3x cubed plus 2x cubed. So we know that the base and the exponents are the same. The coefficients are different, which means 3 plus 2 is 5. So it will be 5x cubed. Okay, the same can be said for subtraction. Okay, let's say this was 3x cubed minus 2x cubed. Okay, this basically means that this is, excuse me, x cubed. So this is 3x cubed minus 2x cubed. This will be x cubed altogether. All right. So 3 minus 2, just subtract the coefficients. Okay, this will be 1. So 1x cubed. All right. Now, if you want to multiply your exponential terms, okay, all you need to do is add the exponents. Okay, so say for example, this is x raised to 4, okay, times x raised to 2. Okay, so we know that this is x raised to 4 times x raised to 2. Okay, these are the same bases over here. Okay, which means x 4 plus 2 will be your answer, which is x6, okay, or x raised to 6. All right, now, apart from this one, you have x squared all raised to 2. Okay, so notice this is one exponent raised to another exponent, which means basically what you're doing. Okay, this will be x 2 times 2. This will be 4. Okay, so x raised to 4. All right, so let's take another example. Let's say this one over here, this is x raised to 5, all raised to 10. Okay, so rather than calculating and solving for x inside the bracket, what we can do is multiply 10 by 5. Okay, the two exponents. Okay, so this will be 5 times 10. This is x raised to 50. Okay, which is the same as solving x raised to 5 inside the bracket and then raising the solution to the power of 10, okay, or to the exponent 10. Okay, so x raised to 50. Okay, now, if this was division, okay, so let's say this is x raised to 2 divided by x raised to 6. Okay, so what you can do is subtract for division. So 2 minus 6, this will be x raised to negative 4. All right, let's take another example. Okay, so let's say this is x raised to 6, okay, into x raised to, okay, or let's say 2, Okay, so x 6 times 6. Okay, so 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So basically, we're multiplying x by itself 6 times, and then you raise it to the power of 2. Okay, which means this will be 6 times 2 or 12. Okay, or x raised to 12 altogether. All right, so this is basically how you solve for your exponential equations. Okay, on behalf of Electronics, this is Obey. Have yourself a great day.